We are following tonight. Breaking news: a national day of mourning has been declared in South Korea after that deadly stampede that killed over 150 people and injured over 80 others. It happened in Seoul, where crowds celebrating Halloween became trapped and crushed in a narrow alley. Our KCAL 9's Laurie Perez live in Koreatown tonight with reaction. Laurie.
Leslie, Los Angeles is home to the largest Korean community in the United States. Tonight, many here are grieving after what's being described as one of the worst disasters in South Korean history. We want to warn you, some of the images we're about to show you are very disturbing. The images are heartbreaking, showing desperate triage and a massive medical response in the streets of Seoul after a chaotic stampede. South Korean officials say an estimated 100,000, mostly young people, had gathered for a Halloween party when something caused the crowd to surge, crushing thousands into a narrow downhill alley. In a moment, a celebration turned into tragedy, with at least 150 dead, another 80 injured, and the numbers still rising. Seoul native Sean Chung says he's been to that event himself.
It's called Itaewon in Seoul, and then I've been there for a Halloween party like a couple of years ago, and then I just can't imagine it actually happened there. It is an annual thing, and then every single year, a lot of Korean people go there and then just have some fun time there with the costumes on, and then I just can't believe how it ended up so tragically.
Itaewon is the city's leisure district, a hot spot for young people. This was the country's largest Halloween festivities since the pandemic began, which some think might be why this year's crowd was so big. Ryan Tom has also been there.
Oh yeah, going out place, a lot of foreigners, a lot of expats. Yeah, I mean, it's really sad. First party out post-COVID. It sounds like supposed to be a fun time, and then streets are narrow. Unfortunate what happened.
President Biden and the First Lady sent their condolences in a statement saying the United States stands with the Republic of Korea during this tragic time. Sadness echoed here in LA.
Really sad for them. I just felt it's a huge tragedy for those families and so many lost lives.
Now, investigators have already begun investigating what caused the stampede. Meanwhile, as you said, South Korea's president has declared a national period of mourning. In Koreatown, I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.
Laurie, thank you so much. Of course, stay with KCAL 9 and KCAL9.com for continuing coverage of the deadly stampede. We're also streaming on CBS News Los Angeles.